swizzle stick.
The swizzle stick.
You know why?
You know how much licks I get with a swizzle stick?
I asked her if she know what the swizzle stick is for. She told me she didn't.
Licks. It's for licks. Hi everyone, and welcome back to How To Foodie Nation, the show that teaches you the ins and outs and all the how-tos about Trini cuisine. With me, of course, is Chef Jason, and I'm Kezzianne, and today we're going to be teaching you how to make a delicious sweet treat that we are especially well known for, cassava pone. So let's get started.
Let's do this. Hi, Kezzianne. Favorite pone evokes a lot of sweet memories, especially in childhood. So now I'm on that step, my grandmother's house, and grating coconut.
Yep. And stealing little pieces of coconut, of
The
course.
The little chunks, of course.
Of course.
So we're going to show you how to make this simple treat today, favorite in Trinidad and Tobago and throughout the Caribbean.
Yes.
So we're going to have some butter. Butter, it's melted. Put it inside there like that.
Right, right.
Now this brown sugar, I need you to put it inside there for me.
Is this the whole bag of sugar?
And looking like that. No, the thing about it is that pone, there are many different types of sweeteners. There's milk, that's evaporated milk, condensed milk, sugar. We are just predominantly using sugar today.
So we're not using milk or anything else?
Correct. This is our main sweet. All right. Now I need you to start to whisk this. And what's going on here is that it's somewhat of a creaming method. You have the fat, which is your butter, and of course your sugar inside there. And you want to start to allow the sugar to break down and melt in that fat. And this forms the foundation for our pone. So at this point in time, it looks rather granular.
Yeah.
It looks chunky, and you're like, oh my God, what is going on?
Did we have enough butter?
Maybe, maybe not. Maybe it's a health-conscious pone. I don't know. But you want to continue whisking at it, and it's going to start to break down. It's almost like when you're starting to make a cake at this point in time. So you want to do this for about 5 minutes.
Five minutes?
Yeah, for about 5 minutes. That's very integral, guys. So if you have a stand mixer at home, this will be the time to pull it out of your cupboard and do it.
Can we take turns? Can we do this in shifts?
Of course, we could do it in shifts.
Okay, go.
Oh my Lord. Guys, I don't need to go to the gym again.
You need a massage?
I need a massage at this point in time, but we are there.
I can't help you.
We're there. We actually see that it's got extremely wet. And
Yeah.
I like it wet. Okay.
moving on.
A little bit of ginger. This is just minced ginger.
Yes.
Ginger is very important in pone, so you get a little bit of warmth inside there.
Okay.
Okay. Vanilla essence, you want to put that inside
Yes,
for me?
please.
Well, I mix it into vanilla essence. You need a little bit of sweetness. Cinnamon powder.
Cinnamon.
Yes, so cinnamon is also one of those other great spices that we use in confectionaries, especially in the local cuisine, such as this. I mean, you happen to be a great pone maker, I heard. Someone told me.
Who told you that? It's a secret.
I won't tell you. I won't tell you what's going on, but you can
Keep
see
it down.
it's going good. Nutmeg and black pepper. Nutmeg is one of those spices, obviously, it's just in the back there. When you taste it, it's like, what is that?
Chef.
I think it's nutmeg. Yeah.
Black pepper?
Black pepper.
You sure?
Yeah.
Why?
Black pepper is a must. I mean, my aunt, I've heard my grandmother even tell me that. So when you're making pone, you put a little bit of black pepper inside of it. It's for a little heat, a little sting inside there.
Okay.
Not much. Yes, it's a bit weird, but the black pepper is a must.
Okay.
All right?
I take your word for it as an excellent pone maker myself. Which
You know, as you say that, we're getting to the main ingredients right now.
we are.
We have grated cassava, pumpkin, and coconuts. I'm going to start to put these ingredients inside there.
Sure.
But someone told me that, again, I'm not revealing who it is, that you're great at coconut. So you know what? I needed to grate some coconut.
I knew you would make me work for this pone.
Hey, I got you started. Finish up the coconut for me. That would be
Yes, sir.
great if you did.
And I'm doing it on the small side, correct?
On the small side, very important that when grating the ingredients for this, that
But
you
chef, you break it up.
break it up and make it nice for you. So putting in the grated cassava. Again, all the ingredients are grated on the small side. Pumpkin goes inside there also. Traditional pumpkin that we have, easily found in the market. You want to clean out the bowls. You know, it's funny because when I go to Guyana sometimes, we talk about pone. You know what they tell me?
What?
That they don't use pumpkin in their pone.
At all?
They use cassava and coconut. Just a
Okay.
little. And even in some other islands that I visited, they would tell me that how they use pumpkin, they use coconut, they use the cassava, but they also put sweet potato inside of it.
Is it just because of taste or is it for consistency?
I think sometimes, people adapt recipes in different ways, in different forms, different fashions, and that's all well and fine. Today I'm not actually using milk inside of this.
Yes.
Or condensed milk. Some people put milk, they put eggs sometimes, but I'm going to rely on the natural moisture of these ingredients to do its work.
Have I done
there are
enough
different
work?
variations. You did a good job. All right, that's enough.
Okay.
You did a great job. Oh my God, Kaz. You know what's going to happen, right?
What's
You're
going
to
to
get
happen?
like level jokes inside of the show.
I know. I'm so excited.
Falling and whisk. All right, a little bit of baking powder. Give you a little bit of poof. You know that's what baking powder is all about, right? And mix it up inside there.
Got it.
And what we need to do now is, after you get it all incorporated, we are going to switch over to the swizzle stick.
The swizzle stick.
You know why?
You know how much licks I get with a swizzle stick?
I asked her if she know what the swizzle stick is for. She told me she didn't.
Licks. It's for licks.
All right, so what's going to happen is that we need to swizzle this because what happens, you need to allow the ingredients to bind together, to come together, and it breaks down in almost a fundamental way where the natural moisture in each ingredient, that's the pumpkin,
Yeah.
the cassava, and the coconut, comes together and melts very well with the sugar.
Okay.
So we go inside there. And this takes a little time, ladies and gents. But
Oh,
you know
you're
what?
doing this to me?
Yeah, I'm doing this for you. I'm starting
Bless
off
your
a little bit.
heart.
No, you started off the show by saying that's how we're doing this in shifts. So,
So I have to
mean,
come back.
I ain't no daily paid worker, but I mean, I'll go work shift with you right now.
I appreciate it. I appreciate it.
So you all are seeing what's going on inside here right now.
Yeah.
Very important that you do the swizzling action, and this allows all the ingredients to integrate, coming together. The pumpkin, the coconut, the cassava, all mixing together. And this forms the structure and the bond, so that when it bakes, it's interlocks. Because all this is grated into a very fine little strand, as you can see.
Yeah. I do see it springing some moisture here. We're looking a little soupy.
But at the same time, I spring in moisture. You see I'm starting to sweat? Kez, I know about you.
Let's throw this away.
Throw this away. We in 2019, ladies and gents. We don't need this again.
Put this to the
Modern
side.
day apparatus. And I have something for you.
What is it? I know what it is, but I think,
The stick blender.
yeah.
Why can't we not use this? Anything that makes our life easy, we're going to go. So you know I'm going to hook this up and finish up the job.
Yes,
Kezzianne will be
please.
very
Yes,
happy.
please. Less work for me.
So you see the final product.
Easy. Easy.
Stick blender is the way to go. I highly suggest you pick one up, otherwise we still
one.
moving into 20,
Right?
25, 2030 with swizzling, right? I need to put some currants inside here. Some
Okay.
people don't put raisins or currants inside of it, but at the same time, I like it.
We like it.
Gives a little bit of attraction and a little bit of bunch of sweetness. So fold that in for me.
Got it.
So immediately, you can see what's going on there. Some people put cherries inside there. I mean, you could get creative with your food. A recipe is not written in stone. It's something that's just very versatile. You could change it up.
Yeah.
Ready to pour it out?
Ready.
I have my glass Pyrex dish here. It's pre-greased already. So what I want to do is hold it like this and gingerly pour it in. Just like that.
Yeah.
Look how great that looks. The raisins, the
Very
pumpkin,
pretty.
the carrot, the coconut. And it came together very well with that whole binding. And as you could see, ladies and gents, no milk, no egg, no water, nothing like that was added inside here. Just a natural liquid. Take that off.
Yes.
And you just take that spatula. And someone told me you're a master spreader also.
I may just be.
Spread out. There you go. You want to create a nice even top layer. Beautiful. Look at that. And what you could do is just gently bring it down just like that.
Okay.
Oven set at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and this goes into the oven for 45 to 50 minutes. Monitor it around 45 minutes because it's high sugar content. It could brown quickly.
Okay.
So let's put this in the oven.
Yeah.
All right, so finally we're done because during this whole baking process, Kezzianne was just like, corner piece, please, corner piece, please, corner piece, please, corner piece, please.
I love the edges. It's the best part.
I know a lot of people would obviously agree with her, and yes, she has to be right. You got a nice crisp caramelization on the edges, but
Yeah.
I think we did well.
I think so too.
And I know that people out there are definitely going to be trying this. Fresh coconut, fresh pumpkin,
Yep.
cassava inside there, fresh as the way. With all those great spices and currants inside there. I mean, so moist.
Smells delicious. Like I can't wait. Can we eat?
I think we should
Can
just
we
dig in.
eat? Okay.
Let's do this.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
yes.
Oh yeah. Getting in there.
Going for that.
It's so crispy.
Corner piece. We're the cornerstone when it comes to bone. Yum! Yo! You see how this is warm and nice right
Yeah,
now?
yeah.
For me, a little crazy. This is some vanilla ice cream on top.
Guys, he
That-
stole my idea.
That's the plan
Let it
right
be
there.
known.
That's the plan right there.
We're going to get vanilla ice cream after this, right?
We are going to definitely do that.
Definitely. It's so delicious, guys. So sweet, and you can taste all that cinnamon, the ginger. Fantastic.
So, Kezzianne,
I did a good job.
I think you did a fabulous job. And everyone out there could definitely make this now.
it's not that hard. Obviously, we broke it down for you guys step by step. And if you do manage to make this, you know, sure that you post your pictures and stuff.
Please do be sure to tag us at Foodie Nation. And for this and many more how-tos with Foodie Nation, be sure to subscribe to our channel, like, comment, and share. See you next time, guys.
Bye-bye.